morning everyone. Myself Arasi, working in SFR College for Women under the Department of Physics. So now we are going to discuss under the topic of energy as wind energy, energy from biomass and energy from biogas. So an outline to energy. First one is wind energy, energy from biomass, energy from biogas. So introduction, what do you mean by wind energy? It is used to produce electricity by converting the kinetic energy of air in motion into electricity. In modern wind turbines, wind rotates the blades that converts kinetic energy into rotational energy. This rotational energy is transferred by a shaft which is given to the generator, thereby producing electrical energy. So this is the diagram for wind turbines. So then energy from biomass and biogas. So this is a pictorial representation of biomass and the gas. Biomass and biogas are both biofuels. They can be burned to produce energy. Biomass is the solid organic material. This can be used as an energy source since humans first discovered fire and burnt wood, plants and animal dung to create energy. It is a renewable energy source that can be produced by breaking down organic matter into an oxygen-free environment. Next, what is the wind energy basics? It is actually a byproduct of the sun. The sun's uneven heating of the atmosphere, the earth's irregular surfaces, mountains, valleys and the planet's revolution around the sun are combined to create a wind. There are two types of wind energy depending upon which is generated. One is onshore and is offshore. Onshore wind energy produces the model, whereas offshore wind energy which uses turbines installed at sea to produce energy. Wind energy import. So it is a renewable. Wind energy is an inexhaustible resource that is available almost everywhere on earth. Clean energy. Wind turbines do not release harmful emissions into the air or water, thereby do not contribute to global warming. Then cost effective. It has low installation and operating cost. Create jobs. It creates good jobs to people and helping local communities. Reduces dependence on fossil fuels. Wind power reduces the need for fossil fuels, which are the main source of greenhouse gases. In remote areas, it can be used in isolated areas that do not have access to the electricity grid. Consistent. It is consistent in the medium and long term and does not depend on specific times of day. Wind turbines usually can operate about 20 to 30 years. The amount of power that can be harvested from wind depends on the size of the turbine and length of its blades. Then the wind turbine configuration. There are two types, horizontal axis wind turbine and vertical axis wind turbine. In horizontal, in which the axis of rotation is horizontal with respect to the ground. So from the picture we can show the horizontal axis wind turbine. It consists of rotor diameter, generator, rotor diameter, nacelle, that is outer covering, rotor hub, gearbox, turbine tower, etc. Then second one is vertical axis turbine. So in all the picture we show on the diagram. So it consists of rotor diameter, again rotor blade, turbine tower, then rotor height, etc. Then biomass. It is the organic matter obtained from living or recently living organisms such as crop residue, animal waste, forest debris, municipal solid waste, etc. It contains 75% carbon and other molecules such as hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. It also contains a small number of alkali metals, alkali earth metals and heavy metals. So in the diagram it's the types of biomass consists of garbages, crops, alcohol fuels, landfill gas and woods, etc. Then it's basic. It refers to a mixture of gases produced by the anaerobic decomposition of organic matter such as agricultural waste, municipal waste, plant residue, food waste, etc. It consists of methane, carbon dioxide, a small amount of hydrogen sulfide and moisture. Then biogas. It is a renewable fuel that is produced when organic matter such as food or animal waste that is broken down by microorganisms in the absence of oxygen. This process is called anaerobic digestion. For this to take place, The waste material needs to be enclosed in an environment where there is no oxygen. So the picture represents the pictorial representation of biogas. It consists of heat, electricity, anaerobic digester, and from this we can divide into crops, wastewater, food waste, livestock waste, and the biomethane. Then from the digestate it consists of fertilizer, soil, and livestock breeding. From the biomethane we can obtain fuel, gas grid, etc. Then advantages of biogas. It is a non-polluting, reduces landfills, cheaper technology, then it works opportunity for thousands of people, especially in rural areas. Then it's a renewable source of energy. Then benefits and technology of biomass. Benefits. Biomass can provide an array of benefits. Greenhouse gas emissions reduction. The use of biomass energy has potential to greatly reduce greenhouse gas emission. Foreign oil dependence reduction. The use of biomass can reduce dependence on foreign oil, biofuels are the only renewable liquid transportation fuels available. The US agricultural and forest production industry support. Then the energy support US agriculture and forest production industries. The main feedstock for power are paper mill residue, lumber mill scrap, and municipal waste. Then the technologies. The various technologies are biofuels, biopower, bioproducts. Biofuels means the transportation fuels such as ethanol and biodiesel created by converting biomass into liquid fuels to meet transportation needs. From biopower, it converts the renewable biomass fuels into heat and electricity using one of three processes, as burning, bacterial decay, and conversion to gas or liquid fuel. Bioproducts. In addition to electricity and fuels, biomass can also be converted into chemicals for making plastics and other products that is typically are made from petroleum. Then benefits and technology of biogas. So benefits: clean energy, reduced greenhouse emissions, improved health, reduced agricultural losses, increased energy access, improved sustainability, and natural process. Technology. It is a green technology that uses microorganisms to break down organic matter in an oxygen-free environment to produce biogas, a renewable energy sources. New technologies for biogas upgrading include photosynthesis, biofixation of CO2 by microalgae and microbial electrolysis, cell technology, renewable energy source. Thank you.